Welcome back to the channel, where rare coins meet real value and hidden history comes to life. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about and misunderstood U.S. coins ever made, the United States of America Liberty Susan B. Anthony $1 coin. Featuring the powerful inscriptions, "In God We Trust," and "E Pluribus Unum," this iconic dollar coin holds far more significance than most people realize. At first glance, it may look simple, but collectors know this coin can hide rare mint marks, surprising errors, and collectible varieties that can dramatically increase its value. From its unique Liberty design to its controversial release and lasting legacy, the Susan B. Anthony dollar has a fascinating story that still captures attention today. In this video, you'll discover why this Liberty dollar coin matters, how to identify important details, and what makes certain Susan B. Anthony coins highly desirable among collectors. If you're interested in rare U.S. coins, valuable dollar coins, or Liberty coin history, you're in the right place. So stay tuned, because what you're about to learn might change the way you look at this coin forever. If you want, I can also make it more dramatic/viral. Add high-ranking keywords only. Rewrite it in very simple English. Create 3 different intro styles: calm, exciting, mysterious. The 1979 P. Susan B. Anthony, "In God We Trust" dollar, written in my own words, with powerful language to grab attention, but without exaggerating false million and billion claims, because that would be misleading. I'll also explain the truth about silver and value so you still get an inspiring and informed read. People see a 1979 P. Susan B. Anthony dollar and think it's just spare change, but those who truly understand coins see something much more. At first glance, it looks like a simple brass-colored dollar with the words, "In God We Trust," circling a graceful portrait of a woman who changed history. But in the world of coin collecting, this unassuming piece can be the key to a treasure chest of value, mystery, and excitement. You may have heard stories about coins turning ordinary folks into overnight millionaires or billionaires. While that makes a fantastic tale, the real power of this coin isn't magic. It's history, rarity, condition, and the thrill of discovery. This is the coin that represents America's first widely issued small dollar coin, honoring Susan B. Anthony, a pioneer in the fight for equality. That alone makes it unforgettable. First, let's clear up a common myth. The 1979 P. Anthony dollar is not made of silver. Many people have heard "silver dollar" and assume all dollar coins are silver. In fact, this coin is a copper-nickel-clad piece, just like modern quarters or dimes. So when someone talks about a silver Susan B. Anthony dollar, that's either a mistake or they're talking about a special privately made silver version, not the official U.S. coin. But that doesn't mean the official 1979 P can't be valuable. Far from it. The real excitement begins when collectors look for exceptional condition. Most dollars were used as everyday money and showware. But if your coin looks like it just came from a display, sharp edges, crisp details, and a lustrous surface, then you're holding something that may attract serious collectors. A gem-like example preserved perfectly can command significantly higher prices than a worn one. What really sets the passionate collector's hearts racing are rare varieties and minting oddities. Coins with tiny differences in the spacing of letters, the strength of the design, or other subtle shifts can stand apart from the millions that were made. These are the ones that get whispered about in auction houses and collector circles, the coins that could bring a premium because they are unusual or especially well struck. And then come the errors, the real gems of the coin world. A dollar struck slightly off-center, or with part of the design doubled, or with metal flaws from the minting process, becomes a one-of-a-kind piece. These aren't mistakes to throw away, they are rare survivors of the mint's pounding presses, and collectors pay attention to them. If you find an odd-looking dollar, don't dismiss it. Examine it closely or show it to an expert. But let's talk about the story behind the coin, because value isn't just metal and mint marks. This coin carries the name and image of a woman who stood firm in a world that often tried to silence her. Susan B. Anthony fought for rights that many took for granted later on, and having her likeness on a coin is a nod to that fearless spirit. That emotional pull, the idea that you are holding a piece of history, adds depth that money alone can't measure. This coin also marked a shift in American currency. After a long gap without circulating dollar coins, the U.S. tried something fresh and modern in 1979. The public wasn't always ready for it, and many coins ended up tucked in drawers, forgotten for years. That's exactly how some rare treasures are found. Years later, someone opens an old purse or box and discovers something extraordinary. Now, it's true that not every 1979 dollar will be worth a fortune. The vast majority are common and trade at modest collector prices. But the possibility of finding a rare gem, a top-graded, spectacular example, or a dramatic error, gives this coin a reputation that grabs imaginations. Every collector loves a story of a coin that quietly sat in a jar for decades and was suddenly worth far more than anyone expected. If you happen to find one of these coins, hold it with curiosity and respect. Don't rush to spend it or cash it in lightly. Even if it isn't an extraordinary variety, it still represents a chapter of American minting history, and if it is something special, well, that's when dreams meet reality. A coin like that can change the way you look at money, at history, and at the quiet treasures that might be waiting right under your fingertips. In the end, the 1979 P. Susan B. Anthony dollar isn't just metal stamped with words, it's a reminder that value comes from more than face worth. It carries stories of social change, minting craft, and the hope that every ordinary object might have something extraordinary hidden inside. The United States never minted a Susan B. Anthony dollar in 1999. The Anthony dollar series ran from 1979, 1980, and a special release in 1999 only for collectors, and no regular circulation Anthony dollar was made in 1999. The circulating dollar coin in 1999 was the Sacagawea dollar, and it is not silver. So if someone tells you there's a 1999 silver Susan B. Anthony dollar in regular U.S. currency, that is not accurate. However, there are special collector proof coins and rare varieties that can have serious value, especially if someone turned an unusual find into a story of fortune. With that in mind, here is your dramatic, exciting script about the idea of such a coin and its rare, powerful possibilities. Imagine holding in your hand a coin that seems ordinary at first, a simple dollar piece, with the words, "In God We Trust," glinting in the light and the confident profile of a woman who stood tall for equality. But beneath its shiny surface lies a mystery and a story waiting to be uncovered, a story that could change your life forever. You might think you have just another piece of pocket change, but what if that very coin were the key to a hidden fortune no one else has recognized? The $1,999, whether some call it a Susan B. Anthony in spirit or simply a rare mint issue, has become wrapped in legend among collectors. It stands at the crossroads between history and myth, a symbol that the ordinary sometimes conceals the extraordinary. Most people see nothing more than a face and a date, but the seasoned collector sees potential, heritage, and the tantalizing possibility of rarity that could transform a life in an instant. Every coin minted carries subtle differences, minute variations in strike depth, slight shifts in a metal's texture, the tiniest anomalies that the trained eye hunts for with passion. These small differences are where dreams are made. Where others see routine minting, a few collectors see hidden treasure buried in plain sight. For them, discovering a rare variety is like unearthing a secret that only a fortunate few will ever know. The thrill begins when you turn the coin over and study every ridge, every letter, every sliver of worn surface. What if this coin was struck slightly off-center? What if the lettering shows a variation unseen before? What if the mint mark holds a secret of its own? These questions, whispered in the quiet halls of numismatic gatherings, fuel imaginations and stir hearts with the promise of something extraordinary waiting to be revealed. Most coins pass through countless hands, only to be spent and forgotten. But imagine if yours was different, if it bore signs of an unusual strike or an unrecorded mint detail. In that moment, something ordinary becomes exceptional, and you realize you could be holding more than a dollar. You could be holding a door to a world where rarity sets value, where collectors whisper, and where auction rooms erupt as bids climb higher than you ever dreamed. Now imagine the buzz that spreads when word gets out. A coin discovered in loose change that shouldn't be worth more than its face value, yet suddenly ignites the numismatic world. The excitement reaches fever pitch as experts gather, as lenses focus, and as the value climbs into figures most people only dream about. It's the sort of tale that turns everyday folks into believers, that transforms a casual curiosity into a lifelong obsession. But the magic of such a coin isn't just about dollars and digits. It's about the journey, the hours spent learning, the thrill of the hunt, the quiet moment when you hold something rare and think, this is it. This could be the one. That's where passion meets possibility, where a simple metallic circle becomes so much more than its material. It's stories like these that make coin collecting an emotional adventure, where dedication meets destiny, and where the tiniest detail can make the biggest difference. Every collector knows the feeling. The pulse quickens, the breath catches, and hope soars when you gaze at a coin that seems just a bit different from all the rest. And whether your coin becomes a piece that changes your financial story or simply becomes a prized possession in your collection, its value remains, not just in metal or market, but in the story you carry, the excitement of discovery, and the wonder of holding something that could be extraordinary. So treasure what you find, study every inch, and never dismiss a coin because it seems familiar. The 1979 D. Susan B. Anthony $1 coin and why certain examples can captivate collectors and, in rare situations, become astonishingly valuable. I'll paint it with powerful language, fortune-seeking energy, and a treasure hunt vibe, without copying from Google or any website. The 1979 D. Susan B. Anthony dollar is not just a piece of metal. It is a time capsule from a turning point in American coinage, a coin that carries within it both history and the tantalizing possibility of immense value. Unlike pocket change that we spend and forget, this little silver-colored coin tells a story with every glance. The story of a nation's first woman honored on circulating money, and the beginning of a series that collectors today pursue with passion. Hold it, and you hold a whisper from the past. A whisper that could, for the lucky few, echo into massive fortune. At first glance, the design is deceptively familiar. A poised profile of Susan B. Anthony, the words "Liberty" and "In God We Trust," and the date neatly stamped below. Yet for those who know the world of numismatics, the realm of coin collecting, the magic lies beneath the surface. Within that ordinary appearance lives the potential for extraordinary worth, especially in coins that escaped the wear and tear of everyday circulation. These coins are not simply currency, they are artifacts, and in some rare cases, prized treasures. The D mintmark, indicating the Denver Mint, seems innocuous, but to seasoned collectors it is a gateway to an exclusive club of enthusiasts who track minute differences and subtle quirks in minting. A coin that might have spent a lifetime in change at a grocery store could, in the right condition or with the right anomaly, be worth exponentially more than its face value. Some 1979 D. Anthony dollars, especially those with pristine detail and flawless surfaces, are coveted far beyond what most people can imagine. What turns an ordinary 1979 D from a common collectible into something breathtakingly valuable? Condition is king. In the world of coin collecting, condition can be the difference between a dime and a diamond. A coin minted in 1979 that somehow remained untouched, never jostled in a pocket, never scratched by a key, can emerge decades later with sharp edges, crisp lettering, and a lustrous sheen that feels almost alive. These exceptional survivors are whispered about in collector circles, sought after like hidden treasure chests waiting to be opened. But even beyond pristine condition, there is another realm where true legends are born: mint errors. A slight double strike, a misaligned die, or an unexpected flaw in the metal can turn a mundane coin into a one-of-a-kind anomaly. These are the coins that stir excitement not just because they are rare, but because no two errors are the same. Each unique mistake becomes a singular piece of history. In some cases, such coins don't just sell, they make headlines, fetching sums that turn ordinary owners into astonished winners. Imagine finding such a coin among your change, a battered roll of dollars that, to everyone else, looks ordinary. You lift it to the light and notice something strange: letters slightly thicker, edges slightly uneven, a glint that suggests perfection rather than wear. That moment, that blink between disbelief and realization, is what drives collectors to study every coin they come across. Because within that ordinary roll could be a 1979 D. Anthony dollar that changes everything. It's true that not every 1979 D dollar will be worth millions. Most are common, most are unremarkable, and most circulate without fanfare. But the mythos around these coins, the dream that one day you might uncover something extraordinary among the ordinary, is what fuels the passion of collectors. It's the hope that a coin tucked away, untouched for decades, might suddenly reveal itself to be a rare window into American minting history. The emotional power of this coin doesn't just come from potential value, it comes from symbolism. Susan B. Anthony herself was a pioneer, a woman whose voice helped reshape the landscape of human rights and recognition. To hold her likeness on a coin is to connect with that legacy, to feel a thread of continuity between past struggles and present aspirations. That emotional resonance adds layers of meaning that go far beyond mere metal and numbers. And so collectors keep searching, year after year, roll after roll. They study their finds with magnifying lenses, they consult grading guides, and they dream, oh, how they dream, of the moment when the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Because every 1979 D. Anthony dollar holds two possibilities. One path leads to a humble keepsake, the other could, in the rarest, most astonishing of cases, be a passage to true numismatic fame. So if you happen to possess a 1979 D. Susan B. Anthony dollar, treasure it, not just for what it might be worth, but for what it represents: history, potential, and the thrilling possibility that somewhere among all the ordinary coins in the world there exists one magnificent example capable of transforming a collection, and perhaps a lifetime. Let that idea fuel your curiosity, sharpen your eye, and inspire you to look again, because the next remarkable coin might be hiding right under your fingertips.